Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we're reviewing the Acer Nitro 60 N60-181-UR24 Gaming Desktop. This beast of a machine has everything a serious gamer needs to take their gameplay to the next level. Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. First off, the CPU. We've got the AMD Ryzen 770-700 Octa-Core processor, which is no slouch. With 32 threads at your beck and call, you'll be able to handle 4K gaming, streaming, and content creation with ease. And let's not forget the clock speeds. We're talking up to 5.2 GHz, which will keep you at the forefront of the competition. But it's not just about the CPU. The graphics card is also a major player here. We're rocking the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 with 988 AI TOPS of processing power at your fingertips. This thing is a behemoth of a card, capable of handling even the most demanding games at 4K resolutions. And let's not forget ray tracing, the latest AI-enhanced graphics technology that will take your games to a whole new level. Memory and storage are also top-notch. We've got 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, which will keep you running smoothly even with multiple applications open. And the 2 terabytes PCIe 4.0 SSD will load up your games and apps in under 10 seconds. No joke. We're talking instant loading, folks. But it's not just about the hardware. Acer has also thrown in some top-notch connectivity options. We've got Wi-Fi 6.8 2.11ax for lightning-fast wireless connections, and Gigabit Ethernet for when you need a wired connection. And with an attractive aesthetic to boot, this thing is a beauty. Overall, we're incredibly impressed with the Acer Nitro 60 N60-181-UR24 Gaming Desktop. It's a serious machine that'll take your gaming experience to new heights, and with all the bells and whistles to boot. If you're a serious gamer, do yourself a favor and check this thing out.